Alrighty, good morning guys. So today is Sunday, Cinco De Mayo. So we are getting ready to try to go eat breakfast because the player is starving. I'm starving. But of course, me and Junior are ready. There he is. Good morning, son.
Good morning.
What are you doing, Joe?
Watching TV.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
So why we not eating right now? What are we waiting on?
Mom.
Of course, as always. So let's go see. Well, the rest of the family is down here starving, like an episode of Naked and Afraid. Let's see what the queen of the house is doing while we're starving. So, and this is what she's doing. While we are starving, we are waiting for each individual curl to poof, dry up.
I can't be with like wet hair. Alright, I just gotta do my makeup and I'm good.
Alright. So now the makeup process. So today's Sunday, so
Today's Saturday, honey. Still off a day. You've been off a day all week.
should have, but maybe by Sunday. If you do your makeup now, maybe you can leave some time left tomorrow to do something with the family.
I'll be done quick.
Yeah, that's what I said last night. What you eating? What you eating, man? If you're licking your fingers, you're eating something good. She got her mouth full, man. She can't even talk. Put the thing down! She don't want to mess up her hair. All over the place. Even in video games you can't drive. On the other hand, look at my boy. Go Joe, go Joe. She just can't get the hang of it. Honey, you still crashing? Coming in at a pit stop. There you go. She's out of the pit stop. Oh, Junior crashed. Like mother, like son. I think they crashed into each other. you doing? Look, he's crashing. You crashing. I think they're crashing the video game. I think they're finally done. Yeah. Time to retire from NASCAR driving. Look at it. Unbelievable. Even in virtual reality, you just can't drive. You just can't drive. You can't do it. Look at him. You guys are the worst driver in virtual reality.
It's not as easy as it looks at all.
He was crashing, you were crashing. I think at one point y'all were crashing against each other.
It was so bad. It was hard trying to figure out like what to do. And then my thing wasn't on right.
Yeah?
That's my makeup.
Alright, makeup is fine, don't worry. Junior, what'd you think about the thing?
Good. Something was controlling the wheel though. I don't know why.
Yeah, like the wheel would turn on its own, and then like you didn't know how to get it back to normal.
Yeah.
You gotta hold on to it strong.
It was weird.
Is underway between Mama Bear
I'm ready.
and Junior. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. It's called Connect 4. It takes 4 generators to power this game. Junior went first. Let's see the next move by Mama Bear. Who's gonna outsmart who? Ooh, look at that move, Joe. Oh, look at Mama Bear, look at Junior. Junior, no, Joe.
Hey, don't talk it.
She's gotta get 4 reds. How you feel about that move? Looks like Mommy's enjoying it a lot.
Sure.
Maybe a little bit too much.